How to record credit card liabilities in FreshBooks. Need to track your credit card spending in FreshBooks? Here's how to record liabilities step by step. So head over into the expenses tab, and then from here you should connect your credit card under bank connections. This lets FreshBooks sync transactions automatically. Log each purchase as an expense, select credit card as a payment method, then enter vendor, amount, and category. Your expenses build up as liabilities. Use the expense report to see your outstanding balance. When you pay the bill, record it as expense to your credit card company. This offsets the liability. At month end, reconcile your FreshBooks entries with your credit card statement to ensure accuracy. FreshBooks tracks credit card liabilities through expenses and payments. Simple for freelancers, but not a full liability ledger. And that is the easy guide to recording credit card liabilities in FreshBooks.